Most people think the only way to sell a house is by listing it with a realtor and putting it on the MLS. But that's not the only option, and for some folks, it's not even the best one. Listing your home can mean weeks or months of prep, cleaning, staging, fixing things up, sometimes spending money you don't have just to maybe attract a buyer. Then come the open houses, the showings, the strangers walking through your house, the back and forth negotiations, inspections, appraisals. It's a lot. What if you could skip all that? I'm a licensed real estate agent, and yes, you can list your home. But more often these days, I'm helping people in a different way. I either buy the property directly myself, or I help you sell it off market to a vetted network of serious buyers. That means no commissions, no waiting, and no fixing up your house just to sell it. This works especially well if the house needs work, you're on a tight timeline, or you're ready to be done and just want to move on. I keep the process simple, direct, and flexible, and built around you and your needs and not the market. So if you're thinking, I don't want to list, I just want to sell, then we should talk. Send me a quick DM with the word sell, that's SELL, and I'll reach out to see if we're a fit. Or call me at 470-231-6539 if you want to explore a private, no hassle way to sell your home. We can go over options to get your home sold, and even if you still want to list your house, I can help you find a great local agent in your area. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more real estate advice and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. And if you want to know why some houses shouldn't be listed, then watch this video right here.